So let's talk about shampoo. All right. I was reading through a lot of articles, especially from some of the people that I've kind of followed since I've started all this 10 years ago. And there's a really big movement of people that really believe that shampoos strip the hair and the scalp of healthy, necessary oils, right? That they're supposed to be there, right? Our ancestors did not have shampoos. They took dips in water and maybe cleaned themselves, but and they maybe had some kind of soaps through saponins from some plant-based, washing of seeds and things like that. But they didn't have shampoo like we have today. And so this homemade formula, I've heard such good things about. And as a little present, I'm making some for Arnica. And so this is a quarter cup of coconut milk, a quarter cup of Castile soap, 20 drops of essential oils, and then you put it in a shampoo container and shake it up and use it. All right. Wait, this is not the one I'm talking about because this does use Castile soap. This is a homemade shampoo. All right. Still using a little bit of soap. I apologize. So this is non-toxic and holistic and homemade. Please tell me that I put the one in here that I wanted. I didn't put the one in here. All right. As a bonus, I'm going to share the one that is even more holistic than this because it is coconut milk. Honey is antimicrobial, antibacterial. And then there's a couple other things in it, and I can't remember what it is. But that's my project this weekend is to make this honey coconut milk shampoo. And I've heard amazing things about it. Will not strip your hair of all the different oils and stuff. But some of us we're going to use shampoo and we want to use shampoo. So this would be a holistic homemade version. And then some store-bought versions. Check out really well on EWG. This one by Everyone for Everybody. And it's looks like it has really good reviews on Amazon. And then we've got several from Attitude. So Attitude here we see again. They also had the lotion that was really, really good. Attitude Super Leaves here. They have a couple of different versions that all check out. All right. It's almost like having different flavors here. And again, all these you can get on Amazon. All right, so that's our top pick for store-bought. I have a bonus recipe that I am going to share that is a honey coconut milk based one. I would say give that a shot. It's super simple to make. And